You know that soothing comfort you get from a chest rub when you're sick? I just made a totally natural version at home and it actually works even better than I expected. Hi, I'm Yuzer from Simply Earth, and when I saw this recipe, I knew I had to try it. This salve smells amazing. This is so much better because it doesn't have all that synthetic junk and chemicals, and it's all natural and it's so easy to make. Yes, please. Most chest rubs are packed with chemicals and artificial fragrances. This one, it's all natural, toxin-free, and DIY. Here is how I made it. In a double boiler or in the microwave using short intervals, melt 2 tablespoons of shea butter and half a teaspoon of beeswax. Today, I will be using the microwave to melt all this together. So now that is melted, we are going to add our 1 tablespoon of hemp seed oil and our 45 drops of our Breathe Easy blend and stir. If you're ever curious what is in our blends, you can always check in the back where it says ingredients. And this blend has lavender, cypress, eucalyptus, marjoram, peppermint, lemon eucalyptus, and black spruce essential oil. It's a great combo that helps clear your airways. Next, I'm gonna pour my melted mixture into this 2-ounce tin so it can cool, and then we are going to place it in the fridge. Once it's cooled, this is what it will look like. To use, you want to apply to the chest for a refreshing breathing experience. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this Breathe Easy salve yourself, we've got you covered. With the Simply Earth DIY kit, you'll get all the ingredients: the shea butter, the beeswax, the hemp seed oil, and the Breathe Easy blend, plus the tin and step-by-step instructions. No running around for supplies, no guesswork, just open your kit and start creating. You can grab your DIY kit at simplyearth.com. And remember, making is healing. Share your creations with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and even get featured. And for more fun, easy, toxin-free DIYs, make sure you're subscribed to the Simply Earth recipe box, and see you in the next video.